DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, we're going to make Habanero Powder, which is amazing. It's really hot. So I got some habaneros here. Step 1 is to pull off all the stems. And I'm using my greenhouse to dry them, but you can use an oven. Okay. And so first step is to dry them all. And then you can make some really cool habanero powder, which is really, really hot. And nice little garnish. It doesn't take very much to spice up a dish, let me tell you. So, get all these stems off. Anyway, then we're just going to let it dry for a few days. Should happen pretty quick. This is the desert, and it's pretty hot in here. But like I said, you can use an oven. So we'll let these dry out, and carefully you don't touch your face after you've done this, or your eyes, because you'll regret it. Doesn't matter if there's a few left over. So anyway, we'll just let these dry, and then we'll go on to the next step. Oh, these are getting nice and dry here. Look at that. Let's see, they're ready. Look at that. Oh, it took a couple of days in this heat. Of course, it gets pretty hot in here. So this is what you want. So now we're going to put them in a bag. Oh, look at that. Here's the bag that it came in. And ready for step 2. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Okay, step 2 is dun 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 dun. You're gonna see. Okay, I made you can use an old spice jar, but I just punched some holes in here, drilled actually. This is what I got before. So now I'm gonna open this and add the new stuff. I'm doing this outside because you don't want to get this dust in your eye, and it's real fine. So you just pour it in here, and then you're done. Looks like I'm going to fill it up here. I have more than I need. I'll have to put this in another container. But there you go, habanero powder. Use sparingly. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer.